Day we had seen the preparation of revaluation account and partner's capital account under admission of a partner. Then one adjustment we studied related with the adjustment of old partner's capital account on the basis of new partner's capital account. So in this case, first we have to prepare the revaluation account, then partner's capital account, then no need to balance the partner's capital account, then we have to write two working notes. First one, calculation of new ratio, then calculation of total capital of new firm. Then on the basis of new ratio, we have to divide the total capital. Then we found old partner, first one, Vena's adjusted capital, how to find. So normally we are finding the balance of partner's capital, that will be the adjusted capital, then new capital. So we found the total capital of new firm, then on the base of total of capital of new firm, we divided on the base of new ratio. Then their capital should be that one. Suppose Vena's capital should be 1,20,000. So we did the problem. So you look at Vena's adjusted capital 75,600. So Vena's new capital 1,20,000. Okay. So his capital should be 1,20,000, but he have only 75,600. If you balance his capital account, he have only 75,600. So whether he have to bring or he can withdraw the cash. Answer whether he have to bring or he can withdraw the cash. His capital should be 1,20,000. But if you find the balance amount, suppose if you find the balance amount means 1,08,000 minus 10,800 minus 21,600. Normally we are calculating balance, credit minus debit. That amount is 75,600. But his capital should be 1,20,000. So whether he have to bring or he can withdraw, answer bring. So that difference amount, okay, difference amount means 44,400. Yesterday we said 44,400 he have to bring. So he have to bring. So entry will be there. There you have to write one journal entry is there. Cash account debtor to Vena's capital. Cash account debtor to Vena's capital. Amount is 44,400. 44,400. Cash brought by, narration being cash brought by Vena. Okay. Cash account debtor to, we will get cash. Cash account to Vena's capital. Okay. The difference amount we have to write. So how to write? Entry will be cash account to Vena's capital. Vena, then Leela, then Asha. Okay. Veena, Leela, Asha. So by cash, extra we are writing now. By cash, 44,400. 44,400. Understood? So entry he have to bring. Means so before writing we can write already, we can write to balance CD, we can write now. Before calculating that one, we can write balance CD, everyone. The new partner capital should be the balance CD. New partner capital, now we found the capital of old partner on the base of new capital. That will be the balance. To get that, what we have to do? Whether he have to bring or he can withdraw. Okay, that is adjustment of old partner's capital on the base of new partner's capital. Okay, by cash you will get it. Suppose you look at that. Suppose you balance first Veena, 90,000 plus 18,000 plus 44,400. Then we will get 1,52,400. 1,52,400. From that, if you minus 10,800 and 21,600, we will get 1,20,000. Is it correct, Aisha? Okay, so like that. Next one. Leela's adjusted capital. We have to find it. Next, like Veena. Next one, Leela. Leela's adjusted capital. Same like Veena, you have to find it. Look, 60,000 plus 18,000. So 78,000 minus 10,800. What is the amount? 78,000 minus 10,800. Amount? That difference, that is adjusted capital. Amount will be 78,000 minus 10,800. And Frida. 78,000 minus 10,800. That will be the adjusted capital. Amount will be, Aisha?
67,200.
67. Yes, 67,200. 78,000 minus 10,800. So 67,200. Okay? 78,000 minus 10,800. 67,200. So here you look at new capital 1,20,000. New capital should be 1 lakh. His capital should be 1,20,000. So tell Aisha whether he have to bring or he can withdraw.
Bring.
Very good. So cash brought by Leela, difference amount. It will be 52,800. So journal will be, Aisha, what is journal? Cash account debtor to
Partners. I mean,
Leela's capital.
Leela. Sir, if it's cash withdrawn, then?
If it is 1 meter, that is entry will be opposite. So then we have to write cash withdrawn by. They can withdraw. Suppose here 1,50,000 is there. Suppose his capital should be 1,20,000. So he can withdraw 30,000. He can withdraw. Then entry will be opposite. Leela's capital account to cash. Leela's capital account to cash. Clear? Okay. So same like Veena. No need to write extra by cash. Already we wrote by cash. So there you can write that difference amount, 52,800. Okay. Now calculation, 78,000 plus 52,800. Tell 78,000 plus 52,800. Anyone? $78,000.
1 lakh.
Yes, 1 lakh.
30,800.
1,30,800. Is it correct? 1,30,800. So you look 1,30,800 minus 10,800. 1,20,000. Okay. So one thing you have to remember, if it is this method, it will be easy. You will make a mistake only this one. You will make a mistake only this one only. So you can write balance. Balance will be the new partner capital. The difference you have to adjust through cash. Understand? So Asha no need to do anything. Why? Asha, look, adjusted capital also, new capital also same. Okay? In majority case, that new partner no need to do anything. Okay? So 95% case, only the old partner we have to do. Okay? So same. So one thing you have to remember, then you have a doubt if it is already it is in the question current account through current account. So if it is I said you cut the current account, you write cash. If it is current account, instead of cash you have to write by current. Only that is the difference. Suppose entry is cash account debtor to Venus Capital. Instead of that, what we have to write? You write in the bracket in that gallery Venus current account debtor to Venus current account debtor to Venus Capital account. Instead of cash, you have to write that person's current account. That is a difference. So in the same question, I am teaching the three case. Current, loan. If it is current or loan, same only. Current and loan same only. Venus current or Venus loan. Current account also loan same only. Through current or loan. If it's a Venus loan account to Venus capital account. Instead of cash, that you have to write. Okay? Clear? Any doubts?
So can explain again?
Which one?
Last topic.
Current account. So suppose in the question, last if it adjustment is given, the capital account of the partner be adjusted. You look at it. The same question you look at. Capital account be adjusted through current account. So if it is through current account, instead of cash, you have to write by current. If it is capital account be adjusted through loan account, if in the question. So instead of current, you write loan. Okay? Clear now? So now we are doing through cash. So next, we have to prepare, if it is through cash, we have to prepare cash account. We have to prepare cash account. Otherwise, no need. If it is current account, and that you can write in your notes. If it is current account, if it is adjusted through current and loan account, no need to prepare cash account. No need to prepare cash account. If capital account be adjusted through current account and loan account, no need to prepare cash. Directly we can prepare balance sheet. Okay, so we will prepare first entry. Already we know that first item in the cash account to balance BD. It is asset, so debit side. To balance BD amount. Aisha, what is the amount? Cash at bank, opening balance. $1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay. Then normally we are writing capital and goodwill. But in this question, no goodwill is there. Is it correct? Only capital he brought. So first we will write capital. Where it will come? Capital. Milky, debit or credit? Asha brought capital. Where it will come? In cash account? Debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit or debit? It is
Debit.
a cash account, not a partner's capital account. So it will be debit. Cash account debtor to Asha's capital. Amount will be capital 80,000. 80,000. Then you have to look any goodwill, no. Any goodwill withdrawn, no. Normally that are the items will come. If a new partner brought goodwill and if it is withdrawn, that also will come. Okay, to goodwill by partner's capital account. That will come. That is another case. But it is over. No goodwill. Next, you look revaluation, no cash. In partner's capital account, any cash is there? Any cash we wrote in partner's capital account? Aisha? Yes. That in partner's capital account, credit side we wrote. So in cash account, where we have to write?
Debit side.
Very good. Debit side to Vena's capital, opposite. If it is debit side, credit side you have to write. Vena's capital amount will be 44,400. 44,400. Then to Leela's capital, amount will be, Aisha, 52,800. So over this will be the by balance CD. By balance CD. So total 2,44,400. Two lakh 97,200. 2,97,200. 2,97,200. Clear? Any doubts? Opening balance. He brought capital. Normally, two other extra items are coming. If a new partner brought goodwill, to goodwill. If it is withdrawn by partner's capital account, each partner capital account, then here the capital account be adjusted through cash. That's why it came. If example, if it is through current account and account, if it is through current account and loan account, it won't come here. Okay? If it is capital account be adjusted through current account and loan account, it won't come. Okay, next we will do balance sheet. Okay, so balance sheet as on 1st April 2012. First item, cash at bank. Cash at bank. Amount will be how much, Aisha? Which amount we will write?
By balance sheet 2,97,000.
Yes, very good. 2,97,200. 2,97,200. Next one, debtors. So now you have to look the balance sheet and the revaluation. Balance sheet and the revaluation. So Irene, debtors 62,000. Any adjustment related with the debtors? In revaluation account, any adjustment, any provision for doubtful debt or
Provision for doubtful debt.
Rosemary, it is there?
Yes. It's,
So how much?
3,000.
No.
And
So here one thing you have to remember, here already 2,000 is there, 3,000 only. Provision matter only. One change will be there. Provision they said, in adjustment what they said, it is increased to rupees 5,000. So now current value that we have to write. In revaluation we have to write the difference, but in debtor, in provision, in balance sheet we have to write the current value of provision. Now this year 5,000 is the provision. Okay, so that we have to write. Not 3,000, but other asset we are writing the revaluation amount. But debtor, if it is not in the balance sheet, if example In the balance sheet, no provision is there, then we are writing 3,000. Okay, in old balance sheet, if no provision is there, then we are writing, otherwise we are writing the current value. Okay, so now provision is 5,000. Okay, next one, bills receivable. Bills receivable, whether we will write in this account? No, because it is taken over by Veena. So you write one entry, you write there in your notes, you write, because if they ask journal entry, you have to write Veena's capital account debtor, Veena's capital account debtor, not here, to bills receivable. Veena's capital account to bills receivable, 21,600. 21,600. If they ask journal entry, we have to write the journal entry. That entry also we have to write. So here two entry will be there. First one, revaluation account to bills receivable, 2,400. Revaluation account to bills receivable means decrease in the value of bills receivable because at a discount. Next entry, Veena's capital account to bills receivable. Bills receivable taken over by Veena. Okay, so two entry related with the bills receivable. I said first decrease in the value of asset because at a discount. So revaluation account to bills receivable, 2,400. Next to cover, what is entry? Veena's capital account to bills receivable, 21,600. Okay, narration will be being bills receivable taken over by Veena. So if they ask journal entry, okay, so normal question will come without adjustment there. So if they come, any took over, it is there. If it is a discount, that this two entry you have to write. Okay, next one, building. Building, any adjustment in building? Hidayat, any adjustment in revaluation? Building.
Depreciation.
Okay, less depreciation, 11,400. Okay, then we will get 1,02,600. 1,02,600. Next one, machinery. Machinery. Machinery, 48,000. Machinery, 48,000. Alfreda, any change? Machinery, add or less? Less. Less depreciation. Less depreciation, 4,800. Then it will be 43,300. 43,300. Okay. Next, liability side. First item, creditors. Any change, Aisha? Sundry creditors. Any change?
No.
No, same amount, 1,80,000. Then we have to write capitals. Veena's capital account, Veena's capital account, Veena's capital account, 1,20,000. The new partner capital that you can write. Leela's capital account, Leela's capital, 1,20,000. Then Asha's capital, Asha's capital, 80,000. Over. So it will be 1,80,000, 2,00,000, 3,00,000, 3,20,000. You will get 5,00,000. Okay. So now you have the doubts. If it is current account and loan account, if it come, where it will come? So I said, partners capital account you have to write instead of cash, you have to write current. Then I said in cash at bank, it won't come. In cash at bank, it won't come. So then where it will come? If it is current account and loan account, it is very easy. So you have to look at the partners capital account, current account, which said so then balance amount it will change by current account. So it will come the same side. Suppose you have to bring. So here it will come. Suppose Venus current account, same side it will come 44,400. Then Leela's current account, 52,800. Okay. Understand? So if it is current account, Venus current, or if it is loan account, or so same question, if it is capital account, we adjust to current account means it won't come here. First it will come partners capital account, difference we have to adjust by current. Then the same side, if credit, the same asset side you have to write. If it is debit side, you have to write here. Okay, same side you have to write. Okay, if it is current or loan account, so you have to write in partners capital account and the balance sheet. These two amount you have to write in the same side. Partners capital account, credit side here we wrote. So same side, asset side we have to write. Okay. Suppose if we here we are writing, suppose Leela's current account. Leela's current account is here means liability side we have to write. Okay. So here means everything credit side. So asset side, because we have to get, it is our asset. They have to bring. They have to bring, so we will get it. If they can withdraw means our liability. Okay, they have to bring means asset. Clear? So any doubt related with this portion? Calculation of new ratio, calculation of total capital of new firm, then adjusted capital and new capital you have to compare. Means the capital should be new capital. So difference amount we have to adjust through. Sometimes nothing they specify means through cash account. Through otherwise they will specify through current account, through loan account. If it is through cash, you have to prepare cash account. Okay, then we have to adjust that difference also. Opening balance, capital. If it is goodwill, then that adjustment you have to do. If it is through current account, no need to prepare cash at bank. So directly we can write in bracket opening balance plus capital plus that goodwill, that you can write in cash account. Then current account, if it is credit side, he have to bring means asset side. He can withdraw means liability side. That difference. It is very easy. One thing you have to remember, so you can expect from this chapter journal entry main. Okay, journal entries, prepare revaluation account. That is the main you can expect. Partners capital account, sometimes partners capital account and balance sheet. So main is journal entries and which one? Revaluation account. That you have to expect. Means suppose revaluation, increase in the value of asset. So what is journal entry? Increase in the value of asset. And Mary, increase in the value of asset. What is the journal entry?
Asset account to revaluation account.
Very good. Asset account to revaluation. Decrease in the value of asset. Rosemary, decrease in the value of asset.
Evaluation account.
Revaluation account to asset. Increase in the value of liability. Increase in the value of liability. Hidayat, what is the general? Increase in the value of liability.
Revaluation account to liability.
Revaluation account to liability.
Okay.
Revaluation account to liability. Next, decrease in the value of liability. Asla, what is general? Decrease in the value of liability. Decrease in the value of liability. Asla. Decrease in the value of liability. Decrease. Liability account to revaluation. Is it correct? Liability account to revaluation. Then unrecorded assets. If any unrecorded asset is there, what is general? Satyam. Unrecorded asset means increase in the value of asset. Asset account to revaluation. Next, Christy. Unrecorded liability. Unrecorded liability means claims against any compensation. Increase in the value of liability. What is general? Increase in the value of liability. Christy.
Yes, sir.
Increase in the value of liability.
Asset
Increase
account equal to
revaluation account to liability. Next, Jonathan, then after that, we will prepare the revaluation account. If the revaluation profit, what is the general? That we have to distribute to old partner in old ratio, that we know. But what is the general? If revaluation profit, revaluation profit. So entry will be revaluation profit. If credit side is more than the debit side, that balance we will distribute to old partner. Balance. Entry will be unmute. Jonathan, what is general revaluation profit? Revaluation account to old partners capital account. Revaluation account to old partners capital account. Next, then after that, extra entry we learned. Now, suppose new partner brought capital. If a new partner brought capital, what is generally Aisha? If suppose
Cash
C brought a
account
new
to-
capital, what is generally?
Cash.
Yes, cash account to C's capital. If a new partner brought goodwill, two entries must. What is that two entry, Tanya? If a new partner brought goodwill, what is the general?
Cash to goodwill.
Cash account to goodwill. Next entry. Yeah. Goodwill account to
Old partner.
old partners. In which ratio? Old or sacrificing ratio, goodwill we have to distribute.
Sacrificing.
Sacrificing ratio. Okay. So new partner we have to the goodwill we have to distribute to older partner in sacrificing ratio. If it is goodwill is withdrawn, then one more entry will come. What is that entry, Aisha? If the goodwill, if half of the amount of goodwill is withdrawn, what is the entry?
Old partners.
Old partners capital account to cash. Then if it is existing goodwill, what is the entry? In balance sheet, one goodwill is there. What is the entry?
Goodwill account.
No.
Old partners.
Old partners capital account to
Good.
goodwill. Old partners capital account to goodwill. Okay. So next period we will do the problems. So last problem related to admission of a partner. Okay. Thank you.